Everyone, this is Steve Vlog, sa Philippine actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Donbell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this. Anong meron? Nakauwi na ba sila? Ay, si Kyle. Siya ang may bit-bit ng luggage ni Belinda. Oo nga, nakauwi na nga sila. Yes. Gwapo ni Kyle, no? Sino bang girlfriend ni Kyle ngayon? Wala siyang girlfriend ata eh. Pero parang inaano siya. Siniship siya kay Kyle. TikTok. Gwapo ni Donnie. Okay. Ay, they are so happy. Ay, hindi na panood natin to eh. Ay, ano to? Ba't parang kamukha ni Donnie yung ano? Kamukha ni Donnie yung bata. Bilog na bilog ang mata eh, no? Actually. Okay. Ito. Walang bago. The future is so bright. The future is so masyado namang advance. Bakit naman advance ang ating ano?
You're so pretty, Alexis.
Thank you.
You want your singer?
Go. Here po.
Okay.
I wanna believe in everything that you say, 'cause it sounds so good. But if you really want
Maliwanag na talaga ang sa Donbell. Sa totoo lang, we cannot deny the fact. Maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. Sunset sun.
sometimes I'm scared of you, but all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. Baby, all I need is time.
Okay, what's next? Ay. Ang gwapo ni Donnie. Ay. Sino ba yung bagets? See you in Manila. See you in Manila na. Papi, alam ba ni Donnie yan, Belle? Ay, hindi na panood na natin ito. Panood na natin ito. Eto, tingnan natin ito yung hashtag ni Donbell. Kasi for sure marami dito. Hindi na panood na natin ito kahapon. Oh, they can't help it. Bakit? Paano hindi nila they can't help it? Ay, hindi. Matagal na ito. Oh my God. Ganda niya talaga. No, slay talaga siya dyan. Totoo lang. Slay kung slay talaga siya. Diba? Anyway, the future is so bright. Ay! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ganda din ni Alexa, no? Ay, bakit naman nagpapapi? Ano na naman yan? Ano na naman yan, Bel? Nagpapabibi ka na naman dyan. Charing. Anyways,
feel alive.
Cutie talaga dito ni Tony. I swear. Cutie talaga siya dito. Totoo lang.
For you, I bleed myself.
Ay. Okay. Anyway. Ay. Okay. Wala. Anyways, that is all for today's video. From Don Bell, this is King of Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.